Alright, what's up, guys? Back with another one, and today we got some special. This is an expensive video. We got 6 Evolving Skies packs. Oh, what if we're able to pull that Moonbreon? That's gonna be wild. But, yeah, there was a little show yesterday, so I picked up a few packs. Yeah. Whew. This is a pricey one, though. This is a pricey video. But, comment, like, subscribe, share, all that. And, yep, we're just gonna jump right into it. First pack, Evo Skies. Dang, I've only ever opened, like, about 3 packs of this. And even just from the times that I've been collecting, it's been 1, 2, 3, 4. The prices have gone up. Like, it was like $18 a pack when I first started, and now they're at like 25. Yeah. Water Energy, Scrafty, Snow Leaf Badge, Braviary, Eevee, Cutify, Hitmonchan, Lotad, Sableye, Rufflet, and Ampharos. Dang, white code card. Okay. Eagle Skies. And I know, the whole Evolving Cries thing, right? Like, this could just be a bad idea. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 6 packs isn't that much. Like, if I even get 1 hit, I'll be stoked. But Toy Catcher, Raihan, Vigoroth, Roggenrola, Wobbuffet, Hoppip, Swablu, Zorua, Emolga, and Lycanroc V. Dang, okay. That's a hit, at least. Nice. Okay. Oh, man. What the... This is all sticky. Sylveon pack. One, two, three, 4. Lightning, Scrafty, Snow Leaf Badge, Braviary, Cutify, Hitmonchan, Lotad, Sableye, Teddiursa, Carvana, Drampa. Okay. Arceus, is that what that is? One, two, three, 4. Leaf Energy, Ice Skew, Full Face Guard, Hypno, Bergmite, Roggenrola, Flabébé, Swablu, Litleo, Wishy Washy, and Smeargle. Dang. Green full card. Okay, come on. 2 left. Rayquaza pack. Let's see if we can get that Rayquaza artwork. Dang, how many cutie flies at the top of these? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Fire, Aroma Lady, Rescue Carrier, Scrafty, Cutie Fly, Applin, Nickit, Sableye, Bergmite, Wishy Washy again, and Seismitoad. Dang, what's up with these full cards? Oh my gosh. Again, it's stuck. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Okay, last pack magic, please. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Leaf Energy, Aroma Lady, Moon and Sun Badge, Rapid Strike Scroll of the Flying Dragon, Pumpkaboo, Bagon, Love Disc, Seedot, Slackoth, Hitmonchan, and oh my gosh. So much money down the drain. Got 1 hit. Lycanroc. I knew that would happen though. But, hey, that's the price we pay, right? Okay. Well, thank you for watching the video. I'll be back tomorrow with another one. Peace.